You've saved dozens of tattoos on Instagram, maybe hundreds, and you love all of them. But when it comes time to pick one to get, you freeze. Because loving a tattoo and feeling like it's yours are two completely different things. There's a word for that difference, and once you understand it, it becomes one of the best tools in your tattoo decision-making arsenal. I'll confess something. I'm a tattoo artist, and I still feel this. Every time I open Instagram, I get flooded with this excited urgency. I need more tattoos. Ornamental, color realism, neo-trad, fine line, black work, ironic and irreverent. Within 4 minutes of scrolling, I want all of them. But the truth is, as much as these tattoos all appeal to me, they are not all resonant to me. And truth be told, that distinction is probably a blessing. Otherwise, I would have ran out of skin years ago. Appeal is what makes you stop scrolling, but resonance is something else entirely. The word resonance is borrowed from physics. In physics, resonance is what happens when an external vibration matches the internal frequency of an object. They don't just match one another, they actually amplify each other. Psychologists studying identity describe the self as essentially a story across time. Resonance is what happens when something outside of yourself harmonizes with that story. And here's what that actually feels like in your body. It's not just a logical calculation, it's a felt shift. Psychologists actually use that phrase, the felt shift, to describe the somatic moment when something feels like it aligns with your sense of self. The mind doesn't need to reason through it. Your body already knows. So the difference isn't subtle, but it feels subtle because appeal is so loud. Appeal is the wide net. It catches everything you find beautiful, interesting, stylish, provocative, or just deeply cool. Resonance is like that fine strainer at the bottom of the net. It's where all of that attraction passes through the filter of your lived experience and your truths. Appeal says, I love this. Resonance says, this already belongs to me somehow. I just haven't worn it yet. That second feeling, that sense of internal recognition, that's the feeling you're going for when you want a tattoo that matches who you are for the rest of your life. Collecting from appeal is not some tattoo crime. That's worth saying. If your collection is more of a scrapbook, if your tattoos are meant to mark moments and memories as they happen, then collecting from appeal can be totally true to that intention. You're marking the present, and appeal is a present moment feeling. That's honest. But if you're building a collection that's supposed to function more as a mirror, pieces that hold your truths across decades, then resonance isn't really a question that you can skip. But a mirror tattoo that resonated, that said something deeply true about you, is going to feel like seeing yourself in that tattoo year after year. And if you missed my last video on the mirror versus scrapbook lens, go watch that first. So how do you actually tell the difference in real time? You're looking at a tattoo and you love it. Ask yourself this: do I love this, or does this somehow feel like it's already mine? You can go further. You can close your eyes and imagine living with this tattoo 5 years from now. Not the tattoo in the photo, but your version of it. Does it feel like you, or does it potentially feel like a costume? That felt sense, that really subtle body level yes or no, that's your answer. It's not foolproof, but it is an honest way that logic and justification can't always reach. I want to leave you with this. Resonance is appeal, but appeal is not always resonance. And knowing the difference before you book your tattoo is one of the most empowering things you can do on your tattoo journey. Because the goal has always been to collect tattoos that help you feel more like you, now and also in 20 years. And to do that, it helps to know what lights you up in the moment and what actually feels like it's a part of your story. Because those are two different things, and you deserve to know which one you're actually dealing with. And if you love tattoo psychology, subscribe. I'm building out a ton of frameworks to help you get tattoos that feel more like you.